The myth that divorce or separation means losing a conditional green card is keeping people trapped in toxic relationships. I'm Ruben Martinez, an immigration attorney in California, and I've worked with a lot of people navigating this exact situation. When you get your green card through marriage, it's conditional, which means 2 years later, you have to file Form I-751 to remove those conditions. And people panic at this stage, especially if the marriage is no longer intact. You don't have to stay married to keep your green card. There's something called a waiver that lets you file without your spouse if you're divorced or separated, or the relationship became abusive. That can include physical or emotional abuse. And what matters most is that the marriage was real when it started. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be genuine. But that also means that we need to show that it was real. And that's where your documentation comes in. From the time that you got married to the time that things ended, save everything that helps tell your story. Joint leases or bills, taxes that you filed as a couple, travel records, messages, emails, or anything that shows how your lives were connected. Even after the relationship ends, you can still gather evidence that reflects the life that you built together. And that's what officers are looking for, proof that the relationship wasn't just for immigration. Now, if you file a waiver, there's a good chance that you'll be called in for an interview. And I know that that sounds intimidating, but it's really just a chance to sit down with an officer and walk them through your story. You should think of it as an opportunity to revalidate what's already true. If this hits home for you or someone that you care about, hit that subscribe button and share this video. And if you're facing an I-751 filing or a tough situation, reach out. I'm happy to help you find the best way forward. Thank you for watching.